Hey, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to share with you 2 online businesses that I tried that completely failed, but I'm also going to share with you the one that has absolutely taken off into 8 figures. Starting an online business is still very, very lucrative, but you've got to know the right direction to take. I'm going to share it with you in today's video. So if you're watching this video, chances are you already have an online business or you would like to start one. And I've been on this journey for, over 12 years now. I've done a variety of different things. It's all been in the online space, from affiliate marketing to network marketing to launching my own courses to doing high ticket coaching. You name it, we've pretty much done it. And we've tried a few business models that have failed horrendously, but they're very popular right now. And it confuses me why so many people are still trying to start this particular type of business when it just doesn't work, and why they're not gravitating towards the model that is working and taking off right now. And I want to share with you what they are. In fact, there's 2 businesses. We've tested them. They didn't work. There's one that's working incredibly well, and I'll get to that one at the end. So the first model is launching low ticket products. We're talking $50 online courses or $100 online courses, or selling ebooks for $27, or doing online challenges for $7. This price point is very difficult to start and grow a business that can be profitable enough that it's worth it and attract the right type of people. We have attempted this many, many times. We have launched pretty much everything I just said. We've launched $50 to $100 online courses. In fact, we've done $200 and $300 online courses, which I would still class as low ticket. We've done $7 events, we've done challenges, we've done it all. And we've noticed a few things that are very important for you to know. Number 1, when you sell low ticket products, you have to sell an outrageous amount of them to, generate any kind of meaningful revenue. If you're selling an ebook for $7, you've got to sell 1,000 of those to make $7,000 a month, right? You're not even at 10K a month, and you're already you're needing 1,000 customers every single month. That's a lot of people. If you picture 1,000 people, that's 1,000 people with unique pains, desires, problems, a solution they need. And you've got to make sure that this ebook is catering to the masses. That's hard enough job as it is. And now you've got to go find thousands of customers. It becomes very challenging. If you increase your price a bit and you get into the tens of dollars, or maybe even a couple hundred, you're still looking for tens of customers, if not hundreds of customers. It puts a real strain on your marketing budget, and is also very difficult to even be profitable, because advertising online right now is getting more and more expensive. So if you have a low price point, you're not going to be able to make the numbers work. The second big problem we found with this model is that when you're doing this, you're wanting to have an impact, right? For us as entrepreneurs, it's not just about making money, it's about having an impact on our audience. Trouble with these low ticket things is people don't value them, right? People that pay attention. And when we say pay, we're talking paying a high ticket price point. If they don't pay very much, if they don't feel the pinch of the investment, then they're never going to go through your resources anyway. If they don't go through it, you're not truly having an impact, right? How many times have you bought an ebook? How many times have you bought an online course that you didn't feel the pinch of the investment? Therefore, it sits on a digital shelf and you never go through it. And that's what your customers will be doing to your products. So it's really hard to make good money. And the people that are even coming through your programs, they're not even valuing it. They're not going through it. So there's no feel good factor and there's no impact happening. So low ticket is an issue. Here's the second business model that we tried and failed, and it just doesn't work. And this is the popular one. So many people are raving about this model, and I don't understand why. The model is an agency business. An agency in the sense that you're going to provide a service, you're going to do something for someone. Just using the marketing space as an example, maybe that is having a Facebook ads agency where you take on a client who's got a business, needs traffic, and you run Facebook ads for them for a monthly fee. You could even split the profits, right? Or maybe you build sales funnels for someone, so they pay you a fee and you manage their sales funnels month in, month out. It was actually back in 2017 and 2018 that my company extended an arm of the company to run an agency, and we attempted it, we tried it. We would be charging even a premium price for our services, and we would do exactly what I just said. We'd run people's marketing, we would build their funnels and do their ads for them. What we found, the problem that we ran into, is the agency space is firstly a very competitive space. A lot of people charging similar amounts, and it's very hard to have a competitive edge to where you can elevate your price points above everyone else and still attract good quality clients, because the people that are looking for agencies, it seems they're always just trying to find the cheapest, and they don't value people who are charging a premium price. They're always number crunching and, oh, but this person said they can run our ads for $1,000. Can you beat their price? And so it's just a race to the bottom. Race to the bottom. I know you're leaving that in. That's so annoying. It's a race to the bottom. Damn it. Now I can't. I'm so conscious of how I say that word. And the second big problem is once you have clients, and we found this a real pain in the butt, is the types of clients you attract as an agency. They demand so much of you, it's outrageous. These are the types of clients that are going to be calling you in the middle of the night because they're wondering what's happening with their ad account. They're the ones that are checking in with you every day and micromanaging you as an agency. They're the ones that, truly are expecting you to flip the planet for them and move a mountain for them, and just don't value the service you're actually providing. And we got to a point, by the way, where we were charging $25,000 as an agency to build someone a sales funnel. And we actually had people paying us that. And even at that price point, the amount of demand that was, forced our way, the amount of check-ins, the amount of time it took us to just manage those clients and manage their expectations, it ended up just not being worth how much we were charging, which was obviously the 25K. So we completely shut down that arm of the company and we've never looked back. It's really difficult to find good clients that even value how much you're charging. And once they're in as a client, they're extremely demanding, and it just strips your lifestyle away from you. So that being said, it's not all doom and gloom online, because there is a particular model that we love, we've been using for years. We have made in excess of 8 figures now using this exact model, and it absolutely crushes it. It is selling coaching, and not just any coaching, it's selling group coaching programs. There's no doing it for someone. There's no selling low ticket. What we're doing is we're selling our knowledge, we're selling our expertise in the form of a premium priced coaching program. And you're attracting the right type of people. We call them Bugatti clients, not Ford clients. We want people that want the absolute best. They're at the top of the food chain. And we bring them into an environment where we give them all the training and resources that they need. We give them some coaching and some accountability. We give them some group coaching elements. But like I said, we're not doing it for them. We're coaching them through the process. We're teaching them how to do the thing. And for us, it's marketing, right? We teach people how to build these marketing systems to attract clients into their business. And what we have found is it's much easier to attract a high ticket client than even a low ticket one. So we're making more money and it was easier to find them. We find that the people that come into our programs that pay those premium prices are very respectful. They're very easy to work with. And they're actually, quite frankly, a lot of fun. We invite some of those clients just into our offices to come hang out with us. Like, we actually like spending time with these particular clients. So if you are just starting out with getting your business going online, my recommendation for you, the best way to package up your knowledge and deliver it online is a high ticket, $2,000 plus, but usually 5K, 10K and beyond, a high ticket online group coaching program. It's the exact model that, like I said, we've done 8 figures with, but right now we're doing over $400,000 every single month with that model. So I hope this has helped you. I hope this inspired you and has pointed you in the right direction. And selfishly, if you would like our help to implement this stuff, I've got a free training you should absolutely check out. There's a link in the description box. That's a webinar presentation that will walk you through the exact model we use, how we package up these high ticket offers, the sales funnels we use, the traffic that we use. And at the end of that presentation, there's an invitation to have a chat with a member of my team, a very relaxed conversation to see if your business is a good fit for what we do and see if we're a good fit for you. And we can talk about how our coaching works and how we can help you scale your business to 6-7 figures and beyond. So do check out that training. You'll get a ton of value from it. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Don't forget, subscribe to the channel, turn the bell notification on if you want more content just like this. Here's a video you might like. I'll see you in the next video.